I'm going to show you how to use a jigsaw. The most important thing when using a jigsaw is the blade you choose, as this determines the finish and the type of material you can cut. First things first, we'll change a blade. Blades come in two different types, the U-shank and the T-shank. Safety note: always make sure your jigsaw is unplugged before changing the blade. The U-shank is fitted to a jigsaw with an Allen key and tightened and loosened accordingly. The T-shank is a quick release blade which makes it easier for fitting. Always wear a dust mask and goggles when using any jigsaw. Top tip: when cutting with a jigsaw, remember to be mindful of the cable at all times. You can wrap the cable around your arm to stop it lying loosely around the cutting surface. Cutting timber. Top tip: when choosing a blade, the bigger the tooth, the rougher the cut and the faster the cut. The finer the tooth, the cleaner the cut and the more accurate you can be. Here I'm using a rough tooth wood blade or rip blade. This is ideal for cutting through rough timber. The most important thing when cutting with any blade is to work slowly and let the blade do the work. Here I'm using a fine tooth wood blade. This is ideal for cutting through smooth wood with a neat finish. Here I'm using a thinner fine tooth wood blade. By using this on a smooth piece of timber, you can make a curved cut without burning or breaking the blade. The most basic type of electric jigsaw will have a reciprocating blade that cuts on the upstroke, but there are also laminate blades available that cut on the downstroke. These are used for laminate timber so that it doesn't chip on the surface. Some models include a straight edge guide to ensure a straight edge every time you cut. This is particularly useful when you require a parallel cut, for example, laminate flooring. Here I'm using a metal blade. This is specifically for cutting through metal with ease. By adjusting the sole plate on your jigsaw, you can make a beveled or angled cut in any material. This is particularly useful for miter joints. Most models come with a dust extraction facility that simply attaches to your vacuum cleaner. Some models have a variable speed dial that allows you to adjust the speed of your cut. You may also find variable settings on the pendulum action. This means the blade will not only go up and down, but enters into the wood at an angle similar to the action of a handsaw. Your saw speed will depend on the type of material you are cutting. Some materials, such as wood, benefits from a faster speed which reduces vibration, whereas other materials, such as metal, may get too hot and require a slow speed which also allows for more control. Some systems control the variable speed according to the application selected. You simply set your jigsaw to the type of material you are cutting and the kind of cut you want, and it will select the correct speed and the level of pendulum action for the job. And that's how you use a jigsaw. So remember, cut slowly and let the blade do the work. For more helpful hints and tips, go to woodiesdiy.com.